What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be unboxing Dragon Knight Draco-Equiste tin. In the other video you see me unbox the Duelist toolbox. So yeah, now I'm going to start opening this box. Hopefully I get some good pulls. So you open this up. What's now, 2010? Oh, I just got that. Oh yeah, there she is. Dragon Knight Draco-Equiste. She looks beautiful. Let's open it up. There's the dragonic neck. He looks beautiful. The super rare Archfiend of Guilford. The Wicked Red Root. A beautiful super rare dark arm dragon. Looks nice. Sweet. Oops. And Dragonic Knight. So those came in the little promos. Sorry. Let's put that aside. And let's see here. We got two free cards. Same thing as the other pack. Let's see what we got. First, 2 Shining Darkness, 2 Absolute Power Force, and 1 Stardust Overdrive. So let's start off with the 2 Absolute Power Force. Hoping to get good pills, good pulls. Ooh, secret rare. Sweet. Okay, first, Advanced Force. Tri-Cooler. Unicooler. Cactus Bouncer, secret rare. Offering to the Immortals, regular rare. Strike Potion. Hopefully you guys can see that. Cawdorus, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Roseberry, and Bicooler. Cooler, whatever. Alright, so that was pack number 1, and I already got a super rare. Sweet. Second pack after the Power Force. Alright. Let's see. Reptilian Servant. Break Draw. Reptilian Naga. Advanced Force. Cyber Dragon Zwei. Not sure how to pronounce that. That's regular rare. Machine Assembly Line. C-Force. Spider's Lair. And Power Supplier. I really hope you guys got a good angle. Next pack, Shining Darkness. Alright, first, Heartbreaker. Forbidden Graveyard. Black Wind, Gilby the Therian. That's 3 Black Winds I got now. Infernity Reflector. And Infernity Beetle. That's regular rare. Crave these into the different dimension. Spore. White Fox. And Genix Undine. Next pack, Shining Darkness. Come on. Get something good. Damn. Okay. Another card breaker. Forbidden Graveyard. Another Black Wing. Give you the Fairing Wing. Infernity Reflector. Delta Tri, regular rare. Watt Cube. White Fox. Black Wing Strafe. And Bio Falcon. Alright. Now, last pack. Whoa. What the hell is this? Okay, never mind. Something in there. And here's Blancor. Blancor, you guys are, that's the rarest card you guys will ever see in your life. It even got some tracking device. Look at that. I'm just playing, guys. Alright, first up, Earthbound Wave. Attack Pheromones, I'm sorry, I don't know how you pronounce that. A Pointer of the Red Lotus. Oh, super rare. Gateway of the Six. Super rare. Sweet. Fortune Lady Water. Array of Greed. Regulus. Tuned Magician. Sweet, got another Magician. And Infernity Force. Yes, that's good. Well, overall, I think I got some. I think I got a pretty decent 10. Cause I don't know. I never thought I'd hold a Dark Arm Dragon. Yay! But it was a promo. I know, you guys. I know. But still, I like Dark Arm Dragons. And here's the pulls that I got. And Fortune Lady Water, regular rare. Delta Tri, regular rare. Alright. So you guys saw those? Delta Tri. Infernity Beetle. Cyber Dragon Zui. Offering to the Immortals. And Cactus Bouncer, secret rare. And Gateway of the Six, super rare. So yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, rate, comment, feel free. If you guys are looking for any of these cards, just PM me. Maybe we could have a deal. So yeah, you know, make sure to watch my other unboxing videos to see the other cards that you didn't see. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Peace.